another Westie. Oh, it smells of oil. It smells of oil. The upside down one. These all stink of hydraulic fluid. What the fuck kind of leveling is that? What the fuck? Well, they replaced the power unit on this and another elevator. That's sad. It's no longer low on oil. Guess it was the pump unit leaking all along. God, this thing like jerks around like a motherfucker. Get ready. Like, jeez. Oh my fucking God. Oh, and it's low on oil. They didn't fix the original issue. Seems fast. Levels keep going down. Get ready for the blast off when it goes up. Close its doors. Oh my God. Oh, what a piece of shit. It's low on oil, too. Didn't fix your original issues, did you, by replacing the pump unit? Huh? Because this thing's still a piece of crap. Oh, this thing was really fun before they replaced the pump unit. They kind of proved it. We're dying. We're dying. We're dying. Quote Cardi B. You? It has a new motor. Whoa! And it's low on oil by a tiny bit. I was like, why can't I hear this thing going up? I'm kind of pissed. Oh my God, they did not put in a new sensor. Oh, when the Westie wants to close, the Westie will close. Yeah, when the Westie wants to close, the Westie will close. Blast off. Okay, the down leveling's not as bad as the up leveling. So, oh my God, this thing like takes off. Like, this is the fastest hydraulic leveling I've ever seen. Someone was supposed to tune the valve well, but they didn't. Alright, get ready. Blast off. Oh my God. Didn't do them. What a piece of shit that elevator is. They replaced the pump and it's still a piece of shit. Amazing. Lovely. Beautiful. Piece of janky shit. Fake plants. We love fake plants. That elevator is such a piece of shit. And it used to be worse, but they made it slightly better. But oh my God, it used to be so fun.